Welcome friends. In our last video we saw how cells are formatted. We merged and unmerged cells, and we border and no border. We gave no border. We border and no border of the cells. And today we will enter data into the sheets under the fields. So let's create a entry form to enter data, and we want employee code would be entered and auto generated. Employee code will be auto generated, and for that we are going to developer tab, Visual Basic, and inserting a form, user form, just giving the name of the user form, not its caption. Actually its caption, just giving the caption name as data entry. And now taking a label and just typing the headings, that is ABC Component Limited, ABC Company Ltd, and just enlarge its fonts 14, 6, just 20. You can give 20 for this, and this is the heading. Just enlarge it and just giving the color from this is to palettes, just red. Okay, and we can place it, align it center, text align, or select option 2 for center, and just place it, and then copy the same label below it and type the form name, that is entry form, changing its label, actually entry form, just changing its font and color. Okay, font for color you can change it as blue, and option and another, and size, actually size should be lesser than heading, so giving 14. We can also give underline option 2, just going and underline, checked the underline option. Okay, this is our heading and subheading. Okay, and now taking some labels for field names. Actually we have taken 4 labels and giving the giving the first one name as what is EMP name, address, contact number, salary. Okay, EMP name, type name capital, name, address, contact, salary. Just click here, one click, and then salary. We can also change its font and color, just enlarging its font little bit so that it looked prominent, and giving 10 and bold, and alignment. It's okay. And then typing, I am taking some text boxes, 1, 2, we need 4 text boxes for the entry. Just text box 1, text box 2, 3 and 4. We can also align it, just see what the alignment for the first one, that is 132 point pixel. Actually everything should be same aligned, so go select all the text boxes and align left 132. It's okay. This is our entry form, and taking a command button and so that we can add contents, clicking the command button and changing its caption, that is command button 1 not caption add. We are giving this add and caps lock is on. Okay, add, and for changing its font, we can also change the name of the command button, cmd add. The name also changed for this command button, just enhancing it font so that it looks prominent. Just give 40 and bold. You can also give a color, no need of color now. So just look our entry form, this is looking well. And now we want to add data of the text boxes to the respective fields, that is EMP code, name, address, contact number and salary, and EMP code will be auto generated. So writing the code, add, just go to the CMD add, double click button and type the codes here, that is last name, taking a variable last row, actually last row is equal to sheet 1 dot cells rows dot count 1 dot end dot excel app, my god, excel app dot offset 1, 0 dot row. Just taking the last row variable, and we are keeping the codes within the last row, keeping the values of the code. That is, it will first move, the pointer will first move on the last row of Excel sheet and will go up and come under the row where data is executed or data is existed, come under the blank row where data is existed. For this offset command, it will go to the blank row of the row where data is existed. Okay, and now we will take a for loop for x is equal to 3 to last row, and sheet 1, and now assigning values, sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1 is equal to, within quote, emp say emp ampersand x minus 2. Next, let us first execute this code. Let's see what happens. Just for instance, one, if we say if we click on add, emp1 has come into the sheet. Now delete it and doing the next parts, and then after the next we can copy it for this moment for quicker view, for quicker action, for quick completion. That is last row, st, last row, that will be column 2. One has been done, and for column 2 we can say can text box 1 dot value. What will be typed in text box 1 will be in the second column of the worksheet, and we can copy it again, and for column 3 text box value of taking text box 2 value of text box 2, and again copying it here for column 4 text box value, taking the value of text box 3, and again paste it here, and 5 text box 4. Okay, now let's try it, just giving the name, suppose Robin, address London, contact suppose say this, and amount suppose. If we now see, when we click on add button, that automatically entered here. Okay, now we can clear the values seen in the text boxes after clicking the add button. Just type taking this portion is equal to null. That means after execution of the above codes, the text boxes will be blank, will be cleared. So taking the same for third text box, and for last text box just typing like this. Now taking another now making another entry, that is Ratan, India, contact suppose, and amount suppose. See, all text boxes have been refreshed or cleared, and the desired data record has been entered into the sheet as per our requirement. Okay, now another thing has come into my mind, that is, if we want all the rows will be in a border, so what will you do? We just go to the previous video and we see that what module has been done for bordering. I will call the module in the add command. Okay, just go to the first video, and we can see the format, call border. That will do, I think that will do the purpose, and at the bottom we can write call border. So let's try see what happens. Just if we type another entry, Kamal is Paris, contact suppose, and salary suppose. Just see all the respective columns, all the required fields have been given borders have been inserted for all the fields. We can also see print preview option. See, the borders has come. So this is our add program, friends. Hope this will be little beneficial for you, and if you subscribe this channel, it will be a great boost for us. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.